Sa haba na pete.
Dito ka diba? Sa kanino? Uy, yung popcorn.
Kanya-kanyang atrasan.
Tignan ka kasi masikip.
Yung bata. Wala kang tamati.
Bigla yung pagkana. Kayo magulo. Tama pa yung Gano'n ko kayo. Kanina nakahiga ko din eh. Ay siya.
Para eh. Hindi yung babae.
Ito naman ayaw naman. Baka mong ulo ko.
Namamugulat kasi.
Sino yan? Ba't nandyan? Minikot kasi yung video, di ba electric?
Oo.
Parang sira naman yun.
Gwen, yung ulan mo, di ko na makita. Ano kayo, Gwen, ha? Ilaw na tayo. Makita ba yung mukha?
Yung ba? Ang good.
Kailan mo yung
Lalang yung dito niyo. Ako narinig ng photo sa ating bago yung chico.
Say hi to the camera. Can I join you guys?
Sure.
Oh, I can?
Yeah.
Okay, great. I'm gonna set my camera here, okay? Just keep it out of the way.
Wait, why are you doing this?
It's just like I'm testing out my like new camera. You know, no reason.
Don't sit there, that's Toby's spot.
Oh, sorry. Is Toby sitting there right now? Okay, sorry. Sorry, Toby.
Hello.
Does Teddy need help with his tea? He looks thirsty.
Bata ba rin pala siya, no? Tika ba?
Sige. Ate niya mas matanda. Eh, buti ko na mas malaki ate.
Wow, he was thirsty. See, I told you.
And she keeps falling.
So, Christy, what was the last thing that Toby said to you?
Wait,
Anything?
yeah,
No.
secrets.
Secrets, regular stuff. Oh, they're staying?
Sorry.
Bigla naging face. Hindi
Please
ka
say
lang
something
ba?
just now.
No, I just put my hand on it.
Teka lang.
Kami mamaya na tignan niya.
He doesn't like that when you... Oh. Sorry, Toby. It was a mistake, right? What?
Never.
What?
Never mind.
What were you gonna say? It's okay, you can tell me.
Sino yung batang yan?
Toby, come
Isa.
out. Toby, come out.
Mamaya bumukas siya.
Toby.
Huwag ka, wag bumukas ka.
Hey, I'm gonna go in. Hey, you shouldn't do that. Hey, don't go in there. You shouldn't do that. I am. Toby, come
Ano
out.
dapat nilagay mo sa cellphone natin?
Toby. Stop fighting right this second. Why is Justin here? I'm being touch me down. Stop fighting right this second. I don't want to hear. Come on, come on. Then who locked me in there? Toby did. Oh yeah, Toby locked me in there.
Huwag na.
Ay, dito na ba yun?
Mommy,
Ano, hindi na makakabala ko naman eh.
how are you? I want to say something upstairs.
Wait, what are you showing me?
I got some new beads for my birthday.
Beans. Oh, let's see 'em. Hi, Christy. How are you?
Christy?
You know, down some cameras.
Bago na ano eh. Bago ano ka na ulit yan.
Iba yan, 1988 pa nga.
Bye, Mommy.
Hi, guys.
Christy tawag sa kanila na Christy. Hindi sa akin, hindi sa akin. Tanga ko yung nasa dulo, lagi ko nakatawag sa kanya Christy. Ay, papat yung popcorn mo din.
Good night, girls. See you later.
Baka sinusugod sa
Isa.
ito na.
Kasama.
Ako nga doon na lang.
Are you tired? Not really. Want to tell us a story?
Sure. What kind of story?
Ghost story.
Ghost story. With the
Wow.
ghost. Okay. I think. Hello, Dennis. How's the ghost?
Mamaya, ano, may dumadang yung pang-idol.
Night, Lisa.
Night, sweetie.
Ama, hagdan daw.
Aapit yata sila.
Yun nga, ako ko. Pinakit sa akin. Bakit tabi ko?
Anong maapit?
Ito ibang, hindi ito yung mami niya. Ibang hindi ka sa kanya. Nakakita ko, nandun ko naririnig ko kasi nakakalisip.